Would an extra $900 a day help you out? That's $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year. Will learning these skills help you? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that simply by selling digital products that you don't even have to create yourself. This is an all-in-one business in a box, which means everything's already created for you. Plus, there's a community, there's training, there's support, there's live mentoring from 6 and 7-figure income earners. Everything you need to be successful. You just got to get started. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan, and I help people make money online in the digital marketing space. And I used to be like a monk for 10 years, but now I just help everyday people, like men and women, hit 6 and 7 figures online. Okay. So now I'm going to show you what this business looks like and how you can get started and what you got to do to be successful here. Right. I've made thousands of dollars with this business so far. I've had many $900 days. I've even had $1,800 days. And all of that comes through my automated system. So my income is automated with this business. Okay. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Let me share my screen. That's my YouTube channel. So this is what you get. This is a business in a box. Okay. So here's how an online business works, right? So this is called a capture page. This is going to be part of your sales funnel that we give you. You don't even have to create this yourself. You just got to set it up, which you can set up in like a day. I'll show you how to do that. So basically, people go to your link, they go to your capture page, you're capturing people's emails, you're building your email list. Okay. So they go to your link and they put their email in. And then after that, they go through the sales funnel. Okay. They're going to watch videos. There's testimonies here. Okay. Doing the selling for you. The videos are doing the selling for you. They're answering people's questions for you. And then you have testimonies like this person made $7,000 in a week, $600 sale, $3,000 in 6 days. Yeah, it's true. We've created over 100 6-figure income earners inside of this community. I've seen people have, $5,000 days, $10,000 days, even $20,000 days. And myself, I've had many $900 days and I've had $1,800 days. So if I can do this, if I can go from being a monk for 10 years to figuring out how to, do digital marketing, then I think you can do it too. Okay. So here's what the website looks like. Now you don't have to create, like I said, you don't have to create any of this stuff. It's already created for you. So there's 4 different products here, 100, 300, 600, and 900. Okay. So this business is for anybody who wants to make extra money or they want to make a lot of money without having to work a job. Maybe you're like me, you don't like jobs, you don't like working for other people, you don't like exchanging your time for money, you don't like being bossed around. If that's you, then this is perfect for you. That's why I started this business because I just want to be free. I want a life of freedom and I don't want to have to work a job. Okay. So these are the digital products that we sell. These are e-learning products inside of the e-learning industry. So it's training, it's information, it's education. It's going to teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing, how to build an online business, how to build multiple streams of income, attraction marketing, how to grow on social media. So many different things you're going to learn, how to create your own products, all that kind of stuff. Okay. So here's what the website looks like. Just showing you what it looks like. You can go to my website, sevenfiguremonk.com. You can check it out for yourself. You can watch the videos. You can read through the website. Okay. And then if you see an opportunity, just get started. Plus, I'm going to send you a PDF. It's going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days with digital marketing. So imagine if you could earn $900 a day with just 2 hours of work, right? We have a 2 hour workday. So basically, what I do every day, like my 2 hour workday, is I post 3 pieces of content minimum, at least 3 pieces of content a day to social media, and I go live. Okay, you can also copy and paste free ads, but that's what I do is I just post 3 pieces of content a day. I go live, I reply to messages, I reply to emails, I go through some training inside of our program. That's it. Okay. So someone can go to your website, they'll go to this website and they'll purchase one of the products, either the 100, the 300, the 600, or the 900. Every time they purchase, you get paid instantly 100% profit. Okay, so this is the website. It's pretty cool. This is perfect for people that want to earn extra income. They want financial security. They want to work from anywhere. They want a reliable income stream. They want a flexible, family-friendly business. They want something that's step by step. This is not for people who are not coachable and they're not willing to take action. All you got to do is be coachable, which means you follow the trainings and you implement what you learn and you take action, which means you're consistently showing up. You're consistently following this 2 hour workday. You're consistently posting content, going live or posting free ads, however you want to do it, but you got to show up. Okay. 3 pieces of content a day minimum. If you're not willing to do that, then this is not for you. Okay. Then there's a community that you get access to as a bonus. There's 50,000 people in our community. There's live interactive mentoring to help you build your business from 6 and 7 figure income earners, and you get that for free as a bonus. Okay. We have these other bonuses, how to create your own communities, Canva crash course, my first million in 17 months, 30-day market strategy growth plan. invisible empire doing faceless marketing, and how to create digital products, 200 digital product ideas. Okay. So that's basically the website. This is the sales funnel that you get to use. These pages are out there working for you 24/7. Okay. This is how you can make money while you're sleeping, because at any time, someone can go to your website and they can purchase your product, and you're building your email list. So you're sending emails out to people every day, following up with people. So at any time, they can go to your website and purchase a product. Like there's payment buttons. They go here, they purchase a product. As soon as they purchase, you get paid instantly 100% profit directly to you. We earn 100% profit because we have the master resale rights to these programs. Okay. So if you want to get started with this business, all you do is purchase one of the programs. There's 4 different programs, and you pay $39 for your website, and then you can get started. Okay. Like I went with a $900 product. I invested my hard-earned money in that product because that's the best. It includes all of the products. So you get 4 income streams, and then it has the VIP millionaire mentoring training that we have every week. So that's the best. So I went with the best one. But there's also payment plans to get started. So you can get started with a payment plan. Your customers can also get started with a payment plan, right? And once you get started, you're going to have access to all your products. There's certification training, like you become a certified reseller. You go through these trainings, certification training. There's your bonuses, and then you got to go inside of your program. Okay, watch this, click here to get started, watch the videos, see how the whole system works. Like after you do this for 1, 2, 3 weeks, everything it's going to be simple. When you're just starting, it's just like you're starting a new job or something, right? There's like a learning curve. It takes you 1 to 2 weeks to understand how everything works. But then once you understand it, you'll see it's very simple. And the more you do it, the more simple it gets. So here is your website setup. You got to go here, set up your website so you can receive payments. Like you got to go to GoDaddy and get a professional domain and an email address. You just watch the videos. It's going to show you how to do everything. Even if you have no experience, no following, no skills, you can do this. You just watch the steps. Like we show you how to go from 0 to 6 figures, 7 figures. Just depends on how far you want to take it. It's up to you. Okay, and then this shows you how to connect your domain. So basically, you watch all these videos, and then you're going to set up your system that's going to look like this. You're going to get your system set up. Okay, and then after that, you just go back and you watch this training. It's a launch kit for your online business. This shows you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay, you watch that, and then you just go through the rest of the trainings. That is the product. The product is this. The product is the training. That's the information. Okay. Like you're going to learn like marketing, social media, discovery method, how to attract customers, mastering storytelling, branding your business. Okay. How to craft a message, how to post free ads, how to build recurring income, affiliate marketing and partnerships, email marketing and list building, how to use ChatGPT to 10x your productivity, how to create your own digital product and programs, how to launch them. Okay, all this kind of stuff you're going to learn and more, right? And then you get access to our community. Let's go inside of the community. Inside of our community, we have 54,000 people, almost 55,000 people. Okay, so you just go here, you introduce yourself, right? Ask questions, you go into the classroom. There's a getting started and access your program. Start here to help you get started, right? Okay, so you want to watch this, so then you'll have an understanding of the program in more detail. You have the understanding of the community. Okay, and then there's all these recorded trainings inside of the classroom that you can watch. Social media training, content vault for creating content, mindset training. You can watch the replays of all the live mentoring that we have. So if you go in the calendar, this shows you when we have live mentoring. Okay, we have free webinars that you can invite people to. Um, yeah, you invite people to these webinars, and then like 50% of people that attend the webinars, they usually purchase one of the programs. So that's why you want to invite people. If we go inside the community, if we go here, this is a win section. Okay. People post their wins, right? Like whatever kind of win they want to post. Like, look at, she made $100 while she was watching Netflix. Okay. For Jessica, she's watching Netflix. She made $100. Boom. $1,800 worth of sales in 24 hours. That's the best. When you have like a $900 day or $1,800 day or more, that's the best. All these sales were received on automation, all in 2 days. $1,800 in 2 days. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. So if she can do it, you can do it. You should say that. When you see these wins, you should think, okay, if she can do it, I can do it. Because what's the difference? The only difference between me and people in the community that are making money is like we started and we took action. That's all. Like you just got to get started and take action. That's it. So that's the community. Okay. So like I said, all you got to do is purchase one of the programs. You pay $39 for your website, you set up your system, okay, you get your first sale in 7 days, and you're following a 2 hour workday. So all you're doing is posting content. You're posting content on social media, short form videos, long form videos, all kinds of content. The more you create content, the better you're going to get at it. Okay, it's just like anything, practice makes perfect. So you post content every day, just like look at me. Here's me on YouTube, right? I post all kinds of content, right? I do long videos, videos over 10 minutes, just like this one I'm doing right now. I do short videos. You see, I do all these short videos, talking videos, words on the screen videos, B-roll videos. And then I do these little posts because you can do posts on Facebook, which is pretty, I mean, on YouTube. You can use whatever platform you want. See, look at these little posts I do on YouTube. It's cool. I figured out this feature lately. So I put these little posts. Sometimes it's value posts. Sometimes I'm just promoting this business. Obviously, this is me promoting the business right here. This is a value post. It's not about the business at all. It's just giving like straight value. Peace isn't found. It's practiced. Okay. So you can do a combination of value posts. You're just giving people value, which is education, information, tips, value. And then other times you're doing just like an ad, like a business post, like just straight about your business. Okay, you're promoting your business, right? Like an ad kind of thing. So that's it. That's how you create content. That's the process. That's all I do. All I do to build my business. That's all I've done to make thousands of dollars. I got started, I set everything up, I plugged into the community, and I follow the 2 hour workday. I post 3 pieces of content a day minimum. I go live. That's all I do. I post content, I go live to attract customers and build my email list. Once they're in the automations, they can buy from me at any time. So if you want to get started, just go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the bio, link in the description. Just put your email in, check your spam, check your promotions for the word blueprint. Look for the word blueprint. You can reply to my emails if you have questions. You can get started at any time, and you can unsubscribe to my emails at any time. Okay, so make sure you like this video, share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's working like 40 plus hours a week, they're stressed out financially, and they're looking for a way out, then share this video with them, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. God bless.